I really want to spend every day and every moment in this lesser-known countryside. That's why. This beautiful place is called Biaoshui-dong, means Russian water cave. The water streams through this cave. It's a natural valley, actually. The sound of the rushing water and the cool environment serve as a peaceful retreatment from the noise and the faster pace of city living. Exploring in such quiet hills offers city-focused charms to engage our bodies in ways sedentary office life rarely allows. Also meet many unnamed flowers. You can talk to the wild animals as much as you can. Can offer chemical-free or organic food. Can play fireworks anywhere at any time. Have a good night. Have a nice dream.